Hello everyone, my name is Anurup Kanjilal. I'm from Kanjilal Clean Enviro. Also, uh, I'm coming up with one more company called Kanjilal AI and Enviro Private Limited. Okay, so I currently my company is working in process design and environment engineering consultancy. In this video, I will show you a 6.8 MLD sewage treatment plant. How this 6.8 MLD sewage treatment plant is designed at the DPR and conceptual engineering stage. So before any AutoCAD drawing or construction begins, every project starts with process design and a DPR, which is called a detailed project report. Okay, so this stage defines the logic, sizing, and philosophy of the plant. Okay, so prior to this, I'll show you that how my LLM, my proprietary LLM called Kanjila Health and Office LLM, whose video I keep posting on my YouTube, how it made all the codings for drawing, mermaid code for drawing. You can see, okay, for both HFD and both also p&ID drawing. It made all the codes. Okay, first I wanted to show this to you. Then I'll show you how we made the complete detailed project report. Okay, as you can see here, that this is the project report. It has made the table of content. Okay, and then executive summary, project details, key design parameters. You can pause and see everything. Then project overview, capacity calculation. It speaks all the numbers, my LLM. Okay, it gives out all the numbers and calculation. It is basically direct actionable numerical solution that my LLM gives. Other LLMs are give generic guidance, and they are also not uh, industrial LLM. My LLM is industrial LLM. Other LLMs cannot even accept so many files, that are hundreds of pages of files that are needed to start this workflow. Other LLMs cannot even accept so much of files, but my LLM accepts the files and also gives direct actionable numerical solution instead of generic textual solution. Other LLMs give mostly textual solutions guidance. Okay, and my and the solution that my LLM gives, it's very crisp format. Okay, so I'll show you capacity calculation, area distribution, everything in tabular form, all the data it has given out, which you need to make this plant. Influent and effluent quality. Now design basis calculation, design basis calculation, preliminary treatment, bar screen specification, great chamber, vortex type, clear water tank, pump calculation. Okay, so I want to make sure that I didn't omit anything. Okay, see, volume calculation. Okay, as you can see, it is giving all the details. Design calculation, grid chamber, equalization tank, all this anoxic tank parameter, MBR tank and membrane calculation, clear water tank pump calculation, process description. Now this process description, treatment flow, treatment process flow. See everything it has made in the flowchart diagram. Now civil works and layouts. At the DPR stage, we also define civil sizing inputs like tank volume, depth, and hydraulic logic. Detailed civil drawings such as RCC and reinforcement are developed later during EPC engineering. Okay, so this is the basis for the civil works and drawings. You can see. Okay, boundary wall, service doors, out, entry gate. Then foundation design came. Soil strata summary, technical specification, MBR pump, backwash system, everything is included in a tabular form. All the data, numbers, it talks all the numbers, blower specification, what are needed. Now hydraulic flow, diagram, guys. So in this so this is the hydraulic flow diagram, or HFD. It shows the sequence of treatment units, how water flows through the plant, and how levels are managed. This is a conceptual diagram, meaning it defines what happens, not where exactly it is built. Okay. So this is the basis on which you can finally make all your AutoCAD drawings. You can finalize all your drawings, and it saves you a lot of time. It saves you a lot of brainstorming. Okay, it saves you from lot of error. Okay, you have everything in your hand from my LLM. Uh, all the data, all the basic engineering drawings you have from LLM, which can help you to immediately make all your AutoCAD drawings. Uh, Otherwise, you can have error. If the AutoCAD drawing person has less experience, or he's doing a lot of work, there can be error. So my DPR, my output, my input gives you uh, saves your time. It helps you to make it in error free way. It saves cost. It brings down all the cost. The way it design it will, the way it provides all the data, it will help you lower the cost to a huge level, but not compromise with the quality. Okay, or efficiency. Now hydraulic profile summary. Okay, now piping. So this is important. Piping and instrumentation diagram. Okay, so basically, guys, uh, this piping and this is the process and instrumentation diagram, or p&ID. Here we define equipment connections, recycle lines, valves, instruments, and control intent. This diagram is used by EPC teams as the engineering reference for detailed AutoCAD drawings. Okay, let me walk you through my drawing. You can pause and see everything. Okay, it has shown all the valves and the ladder logic. It is helping you with all the logic diagram as well. Okay, see, pump data, equalization. Oh, 1 minute. Equalization, NaH dosing, H2SO4 dosing, biological treatment section, RAS return tank, aeration tank, fine bubble diffusers, mixed liquor flow, MBR tank, everything. See, air scrubbing system, permanent pumps, RS, base pumps, FIT, backwash CIP, backwash system, backwash source, clean in space system, MBR CIP system, disinfection, UV disinfection, chlorination contact, NaOCl dosing, clear water tank, flow, sludge handling system. Okay, sludge feed pump, mechanical thickener, polymer dosing. Every minute details it has included here. Thickened sludge tank, dewatering feed pumps. You cannot omit anything, any single thing you cannot skip if you use. See, so such minute details it has given. Screw press dewatering, polymer dosing, cake dryness, sludge storage bin, dewater cake disposal, air supply system, blower room. See, everything. Air, heat, header, MBR tank, aeration tank, reach chamber. Okay, then instrument index, valve schedule, electrical and power systems, cost estimates. Now the cost estimate. This cost estimate, the tender in the tender it was given double, triple. Okay, so it has made the cost to reduce the cost to like more than half, or you can even say 1/3, right? But no compromise with quality. Operation and maintenance, manpower required, 9 number of manpower required. Okay, and what are the relevant cost? Everything is given. Okay, 13 months. How much time is it needed? 13 months is needed. Okay, and this is the annexure. Okay, and here also, like in Indian scenario, if they turn off the blower, if they don't use chemical dosing, microbial dosing, then your maintenance become even lesser. Okay, so if you are an OEM, EPC contractor or project owner and need process design, DPRs or conceptual engineering, feel free to connect with us. Okay, thanks for watching and please get in touch. Thank you.